we bought Korean BBQ sauce. We bought Korean BBQ sauce and put it on a stick, and it came out just like this. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. All right, guys. So I got this Korean barbecue sauce. Now, I was going to make my own, come up with a recipe, use some gochujang and make up my own. But you know what? I'm trying to just make dinner. And I just want to make this as easy as possible. We're going to give this stuff a shot. So, and I got our beef from Sam's Club. Been in the refrigerator for a day or so. I got this for 18 bucks. It's bottom round, and they cut it up for us. Now, I also picked up yesterday these skewers, right? So we got these skewers, and we're gonna put these on the grill when we get home later. So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just gonna go ahead, get this stuff cut up. We're gonna go ahead, get this stuff cut up and get it seasoned, or marinating, I should say. Get it marinating so that we can get home and throw this on the grill. It's been raining the last couple of days. The grain of the meat is running this way. So when we eat it, we wanna eat it this way. So I'm gonna make sure that when we cut it, we cut them about this thick. I'm gonna cut this part off here. I didn't see that. All right, so we're gonna cut this off. That's not gonna be good eats. It's a fat cap or whatever it is. And we're gonna cut these this way, right? Because the idea is we're gonna take the skewers, pierce it through, come out the bottom, pierce it through. So they'll sit like this. So when we go to eat them, it'll eat them that way. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these sliced up. All right, so we got this all chopped up. We're just gonna go in. Probably use a Ziploc bag, but I'm just gonna use this. Let's just get this out the way. Now I'm going with the whole bottle. I'll leave a little in case we wanna brush some on. I'll leave a little bit like that about, yeah, that should be good. Let me get a pair of tongs. I don't feel like getting my hands super dirty before we go out to work. Smelling like Korean barbecue sauce all day long. All right, this is pretty much everywhere now. And that's it, guys. This is gonna sit in the refrigerator for about 8 to 10 hours until we get back. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna let this go. Now, hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna do this on the over charcoal or on the Traeger. Now, the charcoal is gonna be issue with flare-ups, right? And it really will burn quickly. And I'm curious to see if the Traeger itself, right? If the Traeger, we turn that up to 400 degrees, I know I can get grill marks, sear marks. If I'm searing this off, I'm not gonna have any flare-ups. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I gotta head out to work. All right, guys, we're back. Not a bad day at work today. Nothing too crazy. And this is what we look like 9 hours later. Guys, and it smells pretty good. Now, I got my rice on, some jasmine rice, and I found these little potatoes. They're about the size of marbles, maybe a little bit bigger than marbles. So I decided to throw that together with some frozen string beans. And this is the part where I was saying we're gonna thread the meat through on a skewer. Guys, this thing is a little sharp, so be careful if you buy one. I got that out of Target, those skewers. All right. And for some reason my mic shut off, so I'm voicing this over. All right, guys, and that's it. I'm not gonna bore you with all of the doing every single one of these. So there you go. Just pour a little bit of the leftover marinade on top. And guys, when I turned around, look at this. It's pouring raining outside. So we're not gonna be doing too much filming outside. Maybe if we get a break, we'll take a little peek. All right, guys, we got a little break in the rain. So this is what it looks like on the grill. But we don't want to get our camera wet. We have to buy a new one. This is a quick peek, and we'll bring you back when we're inside again. Alright, so we're back inside. So see those potatoes with the string beans? Guys, look at that. Traeger, this is a pellet grill. Guys, this came out not too bad. I will next time say I definitely will do it over charcoal for a little bit more of a natural, I guess, char, or that little bit of a charcoal flavor will be way better. But guys, this came out good. If you only had a Traeger, a pellet grill, you're definitely getting this done. But guys, this is easy schmeezy. Marinate the meat, go outside, turn your grill up to 480, sear them off, you're done. You got dinner. Go ahead and top that off with a little bit of green onions. I love the crunch of the green onions. I don't know about you, but they're good. Some sesame seeds on top. Guys, and we got dinner. Easy schmeezy. This took us about 40 minutes to put together and 10 minutes to marinate in the morning. Here's a flyover. Gotcha. I'll definitely do this again, but 100% over charcoal. Easy schmeezy. Now, you know we're getting to that point in the video where we always say, everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other videos and let's get cooking.